Hey there, folks. I want to do a quick unboxing. Unboxing. I just unboxed this, but this is just going to be a quick overview on obviously Jake Hoback knives. I just want to get it out there because currently these things are on sale. So if you want to take advantage of the sale, take advantage of the sale. So I ordered a couple of knives because the prices were ridiculous. I'm going to try to put a screenshot of my how much it cost me for each one. Nice little Jake Hoback patch. I'm assuming that's Jake in Japanese samurai form. But okay, let's do it. Let's do it. I just unboxed this and I quickly took them out to look at them. Okay, here's the paperwork on it. Right here. Here's the specs. Okay, so this one's the Hoback button lock. Really excited about this. So I wanted to check this out. This one, overall length is 9 inches, so it's a big son of a bitch. Blade length is 3.75, 20 CV, which is mostly what Jake uses. It's got a DLC black stonewash, titanium, which is the lock side, and then it's got Arctic Storm, fat carbon, 4.6 ounces, made in China. I like the presentation. Again, just doing the unboxing. I do like it. I think it's a little bit unnecessary, in my opinion. And for the price I got it, this is an amazing presentation. And if you are a first-time collector of Jake Hoback, I get it. The experience is probably first for you, and he wants to make it nice, right? So yes, I have a couple of these boxes. So for me, I think, it's just, I have my Pelicans. But to each his own. Maybe I'm spoiled. Maybe I'm just too privileged and I have too many Jake Hoback. I don't know why I can't say Jake Hoback's name today, but maybe I'm just too privileged. Maybe you're saying I'm just spoiled. But yes, nice nevertheless. So here it is. The button lock. So this is, again, I'm just doing an overview, all right? So I didn't compare this. I'm going to assume this is about the same size as my regular Hobacks. When I do the review, I'll put them back to back so we can see. But this is a button lock. Just looking at that fat carbon, I love it. I think it comes in red too, in a red and orange. You know what really stood out for me? Why I really wanted this, besides the button lock, I love the milling. See this milling that they do over here, and they have it on the other side too. And even have it on the clip. I just love it. It looks like a 3D, I don't know, not contouring, but 3D milling that just looks like money to me. It looks like money. Little flipper tab, and it looks like got a little front flipper tab, if that's what you guys are into. A lot of guys love fidgeting. Nice jimping. Again, it's 20 CV on the blade. So sweet. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Yeah. I just want to do a quick overview. And I was doing this, trying to unlock it, forgetting that it's a button lock. Drop down shot. Really nice. Man, I'm really off with the pronunciations today. But really pretty. This fat carbon is gorgeous. So yeah, that's the button lock. This is going to be fidget. This is going to be a lot of fun. Alexa's just reminding me to take my vitamins. All right, let's put that down. This is the one I was really excited about because this is a departure for me. This looks nothing like Jake's knives. And I don't have, well, I do have the Warhorse. But yeah, I'm excited for this one. Oh, this one is the One Sam. Here's the specs. Same steel, titanium, very cool. DLC coating on the handle, similar as the on this button lock on that side. Very nice. So this is a smaller one. Look at these guys. I love it. Right off the bat, I want Jake to make a button lock this size in the Hoback because this is my favorite model from Jake. So right off the bat, yes, Jake, if you're listening, make a Hoback this size. I think he's got a smaller Hoback. I forget what it's called now. I'll put it here when I remember. but I'm not sure if it's quite this small. I think it's a little bit bigger. So the one SAM is 7.5 inches. And I believe the other Hoback, the smaller Hoback, is 8 inches. So I would like a perfect Hoback button lock in this size. So yeah, this is the one SAM after 1 Samuel in the Bible. Very nice. I love it. I love the way it looks. It's definitely a departure for Jake. I love the shape. I love the way it feels. And I got medium-sized hands, so this is perfect for me. Perfect. Beautiful. So I like the wonky pivot backing shaped that way so that it doesn't rotate, because if you know what I'm talking about with the 2 pivots and you got to do this, what a pain. I love this. So I'm going to assume that when you take this down, it comes back true to center with the engineering. I think is it we? Crap, it might be we knives. Man, I did not prepare. I just wanted to do the unboxing really quick for you guys. It is a smaller flipper tab. I like that Jake has gone with the smaller flipper tabs. If you know, and again, I'll do it in the compare and contrast. The older Hobacks, the flipper tab were ginormous for the time. I mean, that was the time, right? It was overbuilt, big knives. And I like how Jake has trimmed down his model. So cool. So cool. So these are on sale. As of this recording, these are on sale. So I would take advantage of it. I would definitely take advantage of it. But yeah, the one SAM, that's neat. Sweet. All right, quick unboxing. Again, just want to showcase that for you guys. I'll put the links for Jake's store. Hopefully as of this recording, it's still on sale. Yeah, that's it.